How's it going, everyone? My name is Mitch. I'm the main developer of Lakeview Meta. We're going to start a small series on how to navigate around in the metaverse. So we are currently on the main website of lakeviewmeta.com. We go to the metaverse section, and as you can see, we'll start loading up. First time loading up can take a little bit. Let me put my phone on silence real quick. Alright, there we go. So currently loading in to the metaverse. We have some music from Monster Cat, one of our partners. So I'm going to turn that down in the recording. And I'm going to turn this down for myself by hitting the slash button. So what I would like to go over first is the controls and the way of logging in. So when you are in the start screen, you have the ability to hit Enter Lakeview, which brings you directly to the main island of Lakeview itself. Travel menu will bring you to the menu where you can directly select the partner island to travel to. Guest mode will also bring you into Lakeview's main island without Wallet Connect. So Enter Lakeview and Enter Travel menu are connected to Wallet Connect. Wallet Connect is what you need to save progress that you're making in the metaverse. So let's go to the travel menu to directly explain how it works. So it's going to pull up the abilities to log in with a wallet. We are going to use MetaMask for this test. I'm going to move this to my second screen to fill in the password. And then we can move on. Alright, so after logging in, it's going to ask for a couple permissions when you log in, which is viewing account balance, activity, and suggesting transactions. So suggesting transactions is what the metaverse is going to use to, let's say you want to deposit one of the partner tokens. It will pull through that. It will create a suggestion through that. So currently we are on the travel island. You will see all the islands that are currently up. We're at this moment that this is recorded, we are at 26 islands. So Lakeview is Lakeview's main island. Currently, all islands are categorized by its total locked value. So let's pick an example. Let's go, for example, to one that's already connected. So let's go to Valhalla, for example, which is one of our partner islands from Skull. I already have some game progress here, so I'm level 2, 45 experience points. So to quickly go over the controls, I will get up the Git book from Lakeview Meta. We go to Navigation, Lakeview Meta. These are all the controls, so you can use WASD to walk, spacebar to jump, E to interact with jobs and other activities, left control to dance, and you see all the other options. So there's also controller support in the game. Here are all the controls for that. We will be adding the controls inside of the game in the probably next day or so. So we go back to Lakeview. There is an option. If you want to go full screen, there is an option here on the web page, standalone version, that will bring you directly to a separate link. as I show here. But there's a bigger version that directly supports the full screen mode, and this loads up pretty quick. There we go. Alright. So we're going through the loading screen. I'm going to mute the music again by hitting / on your keyboard. If you want to turn the music back on, you hit right shift. So we go back to the travel menu, and this is an error that can pop up for you. Don't be scared of it, because you can see here undefined reading connect. So sometimes, depending on your internet speed at that moment, it can not connect fast in time with the Wallet Connect API. So if you have this, you just simply refresh the page. To make the process of logging in easier and connecting your wallet faster, make sure you have MetaMask installed on the browser that you're using. There we go. Alright. So we are back at the main screen. We go back to the travel menu. And I have a bad connection at the moment, so we are going to log in with guest mode. As it makes logging in quicker, you do have all the same abilities as you would have logging in with Wallet Connect. So here we go. So let's go to guest mode. We already log in. We have no status at this point. There we are. The billboards are loading in the background, so that will be up in a second. So we have our mouse to navigate around. We have WASD to walk. I believe, yes, you can always also walk around with the arrow keys. So from here, to travel to other islands, we just walk up to the door of the airport. It will say press E to interact. It will bring us to the travel menu, and this is where you can select any island of your choice. So let's go to Suka Island, for example, where we log in. And these are all the instructions for logging in. Get a basic sense of how to move around. And in the next video, we will go over jobs and crypto rain.